I'm like hurting him. He's so majestic, so beautiful.
Oh my god.
Ooh, those are big ones. That's what's on the American flag.
American bald eagle.
American bald eagle. I definitely want to touch.
I just want to touch him and pet him because he's so beautiful.
I know.
That'd be funny if he pecked at you.
That is so beautiful.
He is. He's so majestic.
Look how big his claws are, bro. Look how big they are.
I know.
They'll take her.
Hi. Hi. He's so pretty, baby. Huh? Yeah.
Golden eagle.
Barn. That's a barn owl. Oh, there he is. Okay.
That's a horn owl, Mima.
I know.
That's a horny owl.
Horny owl.
Oh, there's my.